Welcome to Paul Burrows Real Estate. You know, for years I've been helping folks just like you find their own slice of heaven right here on the coast. And today, we're diving into the ultimate guide on how to buy a beach home. We're talking about waking up to the sound of waves crashing, feeling the warm sand between your toes, and watching those breathtaking sunsets over the water. It's a dream for many, and with the right guidance, it can be your reality. So grab your favorite drink, get comfortable, and let's get started on turning your dream of owning a beach home into a reality. First things first, let's talk about the market. Just like the tide, real estate has its ebbs and flows. Understanding the current market trends and prices in your desired area is crucial. Are prices on the rise? Is it a buyer's market or a seller's? Knowing this information will give you a realistic idea of what to expect and help you make informed decisions throughout the buying process. Remember, knowledge is power, especially when you're about to make a significant investment. Now, before you set your heart on that beachfront mansion, let's talk about your budget. It's easy to get swept away by the excitement of owning a beach home, but it's crucial to stay grounded and determine a realistic budget that you're comfortable with. Consider all the costs involved, not just the mortgage payments. Think about property taxes, insurance, especially flood insurance if you're in a flood-prone area, HOA fees if applicable, and of course those exciting but sometimes costly beach home maintenance projects. Location, location, location. This rings especially true for beach homes. Do you envision yourself in a bustling beach town with shops and restaurants within walking distance, or do you crave the peace and quiet of a secluded stretch of coastline? Think about your lifestyle and what matters most to you. Consider factors like proximity to amenities, beach access, local schools if you have children, and even the community vibe. Remember, buying a beach home is about finding the perfect fit for your unique needs and desires. Now, while owning a beach home is often a dream come true, it's essential to be aware of the potential risks involved. Coastal living comes with its own set of challenges, such as the risk of flooding, hurricanes, and erosion. Don't worry, I'm not trying to scare you off, but it's crucial to be informed. We'll discuss these risks in more detail later and explore ways to mitigate them so you can enjoy your beach home with peace of mind. In the world of real estate, being pre-approved for a mortgage is like having your golden ticket ready. It shows sellers that you're a serious buyer and puts you in a strong position to make a competitive offer when you find your dream beach home. We'll discuss the pre-approval process in detail and connect you with reputable lenders who specialize in coastal properties. Getting pre-approved up front can save you time, stress, and potential disappointment down the road. Navigating the coastal real estate market can be tricky, but you don't have to do it alone. That's where a local real estate agent like myself comes in. We're like your trusty guides, here to help you navigate the ins and outs of buying a beach home in your desired area. We have our fingers on the pulse of the local market, know the best neighborhoods, and can help you find hidden gems that fit your criteria. Plus, we're expert negotiators and can help you get the best possible price for your dream beach home. You found a beach home that checks all the boxes, but before you sign on the dotted line, it's crucial to have a thorough inspection done. This is where you bring in the professionals to examine the property from top to bottom, looking for any potential issues that might not be visible to the naked eye. We'll discuss the importance of home inspections, connect you with reputable inspectors in the area, and guide you through the process of addressing any concerns that may arise. Remember, it's always better to be safe than sorry. especially when making a significant investment. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more real estate tips from Paul Burrows Real Estate. Buying a beach home is an exciting journey, and I'm here to guide you every step of the way. Remember, owning a piece of paradise is within your reach, and I'm dedicated to helping you turn that dream into a reality. If you have any questions or are ready to start your beach home search, don't hesitate to reach out. See you next time.